Yoga pose of the week, Ustrasana, the camel pose. So next time that you're feeling isolated from the world and you're ready to reconnect, because that happens sometimes, but you just don't know how to get back into that heart-opening space, I highly recommend using this pose as a way to start that process. Ustrasana is a beautiful pose when it comes to opening your heart and throat chakra. So make sure that your low back is nice and warmed up before going into this position. Do a lot of child's pose, a lot of chakra vrakasanas. Just make sure that you're nice and warmed up, before going into this, because this is a deep backward bend. And if grabbing your heels is too much, then you can just simply place your hands on your low back. And the trick is to press your hips forward as much as you possibly can, and then let go and surrender. This is just a lovely pose. So other benefits of Ustrasana is it reduces fat on the thighs. It opens up the hips, stretching deep hip flexors. It stretches and strengthens the shoulders and back. It expands the abdominal regions, improving digestion and elimination. It also opens the chest, improving respiration. It loosens up the vertebrae. And lastly, it relieves lower back pain. Alrighty, so enjoy. Peace.